Hey Roy, my name is Josh Betzel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now you're probably sitting there wondering, why is Josh sending me this video? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to having help is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, hey, I like what you're doing, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So if by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we could chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition, not waste any more of your time. And the first thing I want to go over is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm not talking about just the amount of keywords on your page, but what keywords you're using. So let's go up to this word counter, and this is what I already plugged in from your home page, and you come up to 153 words. 153 words, all right? Well, Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots, and these robots, they go and crawl and look for these keywords in the content you have. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. So now you're wondering, Josh, what are you talking about keywords? So I go over here to this Keywords Everywhere tool. It's very, very helpful SEO tool. I use it quite daily. And it shows you what keywords you're ranking for on your website. And here you see 5-star services. You're ranked number 1 with 1,600 searches a month, volume global. But that could be pizza, 5-star pizza as well. It's a very generic search. What we're looking for is words like this: flooring contractors in Jacksonville, Florida. You're ranked number 6 with 90 searches. All right. Now I'm going to go over here to competition, and that's Mike Nickel Flooring. Okay. They're your competition because when we go over to the main page of Google and we search flooring companies in Jacksonville, Florida, you have your ads, of course, and ads are good, okay? But research shows that they're only semi-effective and they can become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. And then you have the Google Map Pack, and we'll get to that in a second. But here when we start going down to the organic rankings, all right? When I'm talking about organic rankings, I'm talking about websites that are ranked organically, number 1, strictly how their website is built and what links are referred back to them. So now I'm going to go over to citations, all right? Back to this Google Map Pack, okay? And actually, before I do that, I'm going to go over to Mike's Keywords Everywhere tool right here. And this is what he's ranking for. He's ranked number 3 for Jacksonville Flooring, 210 searches a month. Flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked number 5, 110. Flooring installers, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked 15, 140, and so on. You can see here that all these searches, these are people looking for flooring services in Jacksonville, Florida specifically. And all these people could be referred immediately to Mike's website since he's ranked number 1. So now I'm going to go back to that Google Map Pack and talk to you about the second thing, which is citations. And citations is how you get ranked in this Google Map Pack. Now, I believe I found you on the second page. Yes, sir. Yeah, second page of Google, all right, when it comes to the map pack. And second page isn't bad. Not bad at all. But we don't want to only be on the first page. We want to be in the top 3, all right? And how you do this is by Google reviews, your description, citations, and I'll come over here to this little local citation finder. It's by Whitespark, WHITESBARK.ca. It runs you about 30 to 70 bucks a month depending on your plan, but it shows you how much citation sources you have. And you have 34. So you definitely want to expedite on your citations in your Google Map Pack. And another thing you really want to do is add a description in here. And I believe Google Map Pack is 750 characters limit, and you want to make sure that you are hitting keywords when you're putting that description in, okay? When you go over here to Mike's, he only has 11. He's ranked in the map pack. Well, he's not ranked in the map pack. He has an ad for the map pack, all right? But as you can see when it comes up here, that's $9.39 a click from Google Ads, okay? So every time somebody clicks on that, you get charged $10, and that's what I was talking about, ads not being utilized correctly, and they could become a huge money pit, all right? So the third thing I wanted to talk to you about when ranking your website is also backlinks. We call these backlinks also link juice, and I'll show you what I'm talking about by this tool called Ahrefs I use, all right? Ahrefs is a phenomenal SEO tool. I use it every single day. It runs you roughly 170 bucks a month, but it's definitely worth it if you plan on doing this on your own. And on this Ahrefs, we can see referring domains and backlinks and kind of just how your domain rating is. And you can actually also see keywords over here too. So it's a very helpful tool. Now, you have 41 referring domains and 168 backlinks, all right? And your competition, when I plugged them into Ahrefs, they have 37 referring domains and 194 backlinks. So how are they beating you if you have more referring domains than them? Well, I'll answer that question for you right now. This link juicer works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website, therefore LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a, let's say LinkedIn again, if you have a LinkedIn linking to you, that would be more effective than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking to you. Because, hey, let's be honest, you sling floor installations for a living, you don't sling pizzas. All right. And when you go into these referring domains and backlinks, it's very important to realize the amount of do-follow links and the drive they have in the DR rating. And as you can see, it's 0.0.0.2 to 3.1.0. So it's not a lot of strength, all right? And that's what I'm also here for, is finding not only backlinks to throw into your website, but actual relative ones, so it gives your website that power. So you can be getting that 80, 90 domain rating instead of a 0. Okay, so to wrap this up, I kind of want to go quickly back over what we discussed today, starting with the content. And with the content, add some more keywords and add some more content in general. All right, we really want to be at 1,500 to 2,000, especially on that first page, and get these keywords in here that your competitions are using, and you can also find them on Ahrefs as well. All right, the second thing was citations. So you want to have 200 to 300 citations, all right, and you have about 34, all right, 200 to 300 citations to beat out the competition by an absolute landslide. And the third thing we talked about was link juice, backlinks, referring domains. You have to go through your competitions in Ahrefs or SEMrush, whatever you like to use, but I choose Ahrefs because it's the most accurate. You go through these backlinks, referring domains, and you figure out which ones are blog comments, influence links, guest posts, citations, and you don't want to just match them, but you want to pass them. All right, so I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.